Zion ladies worldwide don't donate Macopolo bus to Edo State government to assist transportation of children and others. One non-governmental organization, Zion Ladies, don't donate 60-seater Macopolo luxury bus give Edo State government sake of say this one they part of their corporate social responsibility to help carry school children when no get and for other government activities. Ambassador Esther Edokpayi, when be the president for this Zion Ladies, controversial salute give the deputy governor for him ogbonge contribution to societal development, especially for entertainment industry and for people when no get.
My group, we are glad to let the government know that we have done something to support the women and the less privileged children, and we want you to be a part of it. So that is why we are here, sir.
Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu can thank them for this ogbonge team they don't do for the government. He can talk say government they try build ogbonge culture for the entertainment industry when go help them grow weller.
I also want to thank you for your philanthropic gesture. I think it's always good to travel, and like I tell people, traveling is itself education, especially when you actually savor and take note of what you see and learn from those journeys. And for me, it's not a surprise that you, 100 of you, came together to want to give back, because that is synonymous to all the areas you have visited and you live now. That culture is, with what you've done, you are gradually enshrining that culture in some of us that are in Nigeria, to know that when God bless you, there is need to give back to the society. Because the society will be a better place when all of us remember that it's not all of us really that God has blessed with resources. There are some that have blessed resources, financial resources. There are some that are blessed with human, different talent and different blessings. So if you are fortunate to be among those that God has given that endowment, it's always good to give back to the society. Because if all of us contribute like that, obviously the world will be a better place for all of us. And envy and unnecessary jealousy and poverty will be history. So what you are doing, please pray God to continue to sustain you and guide all of you. And through you also, others will learn the spirit of giving. And don't forget that those that don't give, they don't get. It is publican and it's a spiritual thing. If you don't give, you don't receive. That's right. And the more you give, the more you receive.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC and your power. No sell I'm giving any politician on election day.